Lucy Peterson.
Yes, hello. My name is Nancy Freesen, and Philson Parr suggested that I contact you.
Oh yes, Philson and I go way back. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm with the Coffee Bug Company, and we've developed a mini coffee maker for travelers. We've had great success selling it in travel stores on the West Coast, and we're looking for wider distribution. I understand that you specialize in products for travelers, so I wondered if I could make an appointment to show it to you.
Well, yes, I'm always interested in new products. We're not located in the city though. Where are you staying?
Midtown by Grand Central.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm taking the train in tomorrow. So why don't we meet for coffee? There's a coffee shop near there called Cafe Grumpy.
Cafe Crumpet?
Cafe Grumpy, Grumpy.
Oh, I've seen it. I think I walked by there this morning.
Great. So let me give you my cell phone number.